Dr. Pallavi, you talk about a lot of, in throughout your interview today and the other day, you talk about a lot of spiritualism and divinity and those kind of thing. Like in every third or fourth line, you have used one of these words. So, and if you look at in today's generation, it's very practical. People don't go by these words. I mean, these are like something which is like things of past or something, right? And I mean, normally in the common norms, you don't hear these, right? So, how it came in your life? I mean, this environment. I mean, is it because of the family? Is it because of something else? And interestingly, while I was going through a lot of your old videos, on your YouTube channel, so in many a case, in fact, I think in almost all of them, you started with prayer and those kind
Mhm.
of thing, and then you went on, which is very unlike, I mean, prayer, yes, I mean, it's there, people don't like, okay, in their own silent being, they do it for their own reasons, right? तो ये सब कैसे हुआ हाउ इट स्टार्टेड एंड मतलब ये इन्फ्लुएंस कहाँ से आया.
वेल it probably वो हमेशा था और कुछ समय के लिए the life took me to the modern world, and now I feel the need to balance both and take both and take life forward, because I understand the power of both. It's not like, but it's we can take both forward together. So it was since beginning, and that is I feel so proud now of my cultural or religious or spiritual background. It comes from my mother and her parents. They had taken Diksha, and one of the key five acharyas. He was the fifth acharya of the generation, which is considered a very, very respected place. And every time we had this performance, I have majorly performed for charity and a cause, as in temple raising. And everywhere, every time I have gone for performance, I had this amazing opportunity of interacting with spiritual leaders and their blessings. And I also had my Jainism speech lined up always. And I started with the prayer. I did not know that time it was my mother's efforts. For me it was like it अच्छा लगता है जब अपन prayer से start करते हैं. But after I learned pranic healing, I was amazed with the power. That what did I do? I was doing invocation every time, aligning to the universal frequency. When I understood the power of, the sound therapy and the sound vibration and the Sanskrit Shabda, there are like Bij mantras that people use now. So after understanding that, I felt like, oh my God, I mean, we feel that हमने सब कुछ किया है, but these little things, they make such huge difference. So I am blessed, and now I will keep that alive, and I want the generation next to keep our ancient wisdom alive and take it forward.
Nice. Thank you so much for sharing this. This is really powerful, and that's the reason I wanted to connect those dots. That where is it actually coming from? You went through some specific program, or is it there from your childhood? So yeah, so you answer it nicely. Okay.
Probably
Now,
that was like, हजार लाखों बार subconscious में वो बोके रखा गया था.
absolutely, absolutely, no doubt.